Hello guys, it's a 2014 Holden Commodore VF. Today I'm gonna show you how to reset the service light. So when we turn on the ignition, and then says change engine oil soon. So let me start. Turns off, but when you're driving it keep coming change engine oil light. So what we can do, we just turn the key to the second position, the on position, not starting. When the light comes, so the accelerator pedal, press 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Turn off the ignition, on again. Here we go, no engine light anymore. Thank you. You can subscribe my channel for more video. Bye.